What is going on, guys? This is Anders Larsson, and in this video we are going to learn about a serious holy butt crack advice that everyone needs to be aware of who develop modules for Humhub. So just a short summary before we begin about the Humhub platform and why you should use it. So this is cPanel, and cPanel you get when you purchase hosting. You have a domain and you have a hosting where you can, for example, install WordPress, but there is also other type of platforms, and that is in social networking. And in social networking you have a social media platform called Humhub. And Humhub is similar to WordPress in that you can create plugins, but the plugins is called modules. And the modules will allow you to change the behavior and the visual aspects of this Humhub platform. So Humhub is an open source social media platform, and you want it because maybe you don't want to install a forum or a community that works as a forum, but you want to build an entirely social media site similar to Facebook or Twitter or Instagram. Humhub can be modified to be very similar to any of these social media platforms, and this is also another reason why you want to build a plugin or a module, so you can bring in features that you love in other social media platforms. So this is Humhub, and this is a default installation. We have done some modification in the installation so that pretty URLs are enabled as default, and you will only get it enabled if you install it through cPanel. As a system administrator, you can enable modules that will be listed here. You can also visit the marketplace where you can install and you can buy various modules or plugins. So you want to create a module, and here we have a fresh install of Humhub, and modules are located in the protected folder and under the folder named modules, and this folder is currently empty, but I'm going to copy this folder, and it is very similar to what you do in WordPress. There you can upload a folder to the plugin section, and here we upload a folder to modules. I think it's called plugins in WordPress. I use a program called Mountain Duck to work with FTP. So I have an FTP drive that seamlessly integrates with Windows Explorer. So I can actually run batch script to work with files and file manipulation and so much more. So here's the thing. I will copy a working version of this module or plugin to the server. So pay attention to this. Normally, I just refresh the page to see a new update, and nothing is happening because we should see a new module listed. But it turns out that in order to draw the right events so that it lists the modules here, you need to click this one, module. So now it works. So if you forget about this, I mean, you've forgotten about this problem, you learned it once and then you suddenly have forgotten it, and you click refresh and oh, it's working fine. But when you do something wrong in the code and you think you're fine, then of course you continue to build your module until you click modules here, and then it vanishes. Alright, so here is another thing that is really holy butt crack, and I have been trying to solve it for many hours, and it turns out that sometimes a hidden character sneaks in. So we can see here, if we click modules, it doesn't work. It is gone here. So sometimes I can see that something is not quite right here. If you can check this one, and you can see there are two right brackets. So the editor is not really working. But you think that, well, if I have the comment character, it would take care of it, but it doesn't. So that is really mind-boggling. So if I remove this one and then save, and then we click modules, and it works. So that is unbelievably difficult to find. And but the symptom of it is that now, when you are really sure it should work and it doesn't, then do check out the hidden characters if it happened to sneak into your code. So I'm gonna try something. I have the original code that have this buggy character in it. So I thought, wouldn't it be cool if we could just paste it in ChatGPT? So I asked ChatGPT, can you strip special characters from this code that may cause the code to not work? So it responds that it removed the straight carriage return line break shown as at the end of the comment section. So if we copy this code, and then we just paste it and save, and we click modules, and it works. So that, my friends, is something that you can use to find such problems. Alright guys, that is pretty much what I wanted to discuss with you, and I hope you got some value from this video. I do not recommend that you subscribe to this channel unless you are interested in digital marketing, because this is just a temporary thing that I'm going through with coding. My purpose is to build this awesome module that will help people with the traffic problem. So most people have this problem when they are on social media. They want to drive traffic to their business, but social media is just choking any attempt to get a little bit of traffic. I'm going to solve that problem, and this is why I'm doing this. Anyway, click like if you found value from this video. Otherwise, I hope you have an awesome day. Take care, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye bye.